Mr. Ravi Jain.
Yes, sir.
You're a graduate in instrumentation engineering
Instrumentation and control.
and control. What is this? Instrumentation I can understand. Calibration. And what is control?
So control relates to controlling of the parameters in industries, like a tank can be controlled, automatically controlled to a set point whereby it cannot be filled beyond a certain level. This is one of an examples. So in the process industry, it is mostly used to control the variables in the process.
Let us take the case of thermostat.
Yes, sir.
There is a control there, or
Sir, there is a sensor which senses the temperature, and based on the set point, it controls the temperature, like it is used in the air conditions also. So we set the temperature at 25 degrees, so the using the thermostat, the air conditioner controls the temperature of the room to 25 degrees Celsius.
So, in the case of instrumentation of a calibration of a thermometer,
Yes, sir.
so how do you carry out? You have got set standards.
Yes, I cannot follow, sir.
You see, you have got standards to follow.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you to calibrate thermometer,
Yes, sir.
which is everything is there, it is only to be calibrated.
Okay.
So how do you carry out the calibration?
Sir, there are certain parameters like accuracy of the instrument, reliability of the instrument, redundancy of the instrument. So if like accuracy means how accurate the instrument measures the required parameters. Redundancy is if we carry out the measurement many a times, how frequently the same reading would be measured.
I am talking of personal experience. With two thermometers,
Yes, sir.
we measured the temperature of the body,
Yes, sir.
and they gave different
Yes, sir.
indications, different temperatures.
Yes, sir.
What is that due to?
So this could be the technology behind the thermometer, mercury-based thermometer or electronic thermometer. One could be the reason. Another reason could be the faulty reading because of the miscalibration or the calibration not having done properly. Or maybe with time, electronics instrument tends to give erroneous reading. So that can be one of the reasons also.
Between a mercury-based thermometer
Yes, sir.
and a digital thermometer, which one is better?
Sir, it depends on the technology again. If we use RTD type of thermometer for temperature measurement, it would be better than mercury based because of the ease of handling and the time taken to carry out the reading.
Not the digital one.
Sir, digital one, sir. RTD based, if it is RTD based, then the accuracy of that would be much more
Even
than
the
the.
pressure with the thermometer, with the mercury based is different,
Yes,
and
sir.
the one given by the digital
Yes, sir.
is different.
Yes.
Why they give different readings?
Sir, this is because of the technology again, the accuracy and how the person puts the equipment on the body to measure. If it is in the correct, the difference could arise because of the way it is put.
Okay. You have opted for psychology.
Yes, sir.
Depression is a disease which is very much prevalent all over the world,
Yes, sir.
in India too.
Yes, sir.
So, and it becomes very, it gets aggravated as we grow older.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the preventive and curative steps to be taken?
Sir, it depends on who the person suffering from depression, the age group the person is in. By and large, the depression person should be given adequate social support and should seek professional help for the treatments. And by social support also, the person can lead a very healthy life.
So, environment also plays a very vital role in causing depressions.
Yes, sir. Sir, based on the environment, how the person is in which, if a person is in a stressful environment, the person will have more likelihood of getting suffering from any of the mental disorder than the person who is in a relatively ease-off environment.
It is also believed, I don't know how far it is correct, that if depression is left untreated, it may lead to suicidal tendencies. Is it correct?
So it depends on the characteristics of depression. If it is hyper depression where the person is suffering from mania, it doesn't happen that the person will commit suicide. If it is the person is suffering from depression in the sense that he feels lonely, withdraws from the social situation, then the condition may arise where the person may feel suicidal.
If it is a hyper, then it is not possible.
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Well, Ravi, you've taken psychology as your option.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we talk of psychology, normally one name comes to our mind, that is of Sigmund Freud.
Yes, sir.
So, but I would like to know from you some other names as well. What was the role of Adler?
Sir, Adolf Adler gave the theory of personality. In his theory, he gives several concepts like the concept of selfhood, then the concept of birth order.
Individual psychology.
Yes, sir.
He broke away from the concept of Sigmund Freud.
Yes, sir. So he was not in agreement with Freud on the basis of Freud's extra focus on the role of unconsciousness, and he believed that the Sigmund Freud approach was very mechanical and was very generalistic, and the individual was missing from the concept. So he gave the concept of where the focus was on the individual, and he is known as the father of individual psychology.
And who is the father of modern day educational psychology?
Sir, I'm not aware.
Have you heard of the name of Edward Thorndike?
Thorndike, yes, sir.
He was basically he gave the idea of this functionalism, and he was considered as the father of modern day educational psychology.
Thank you, sir. I was not aware.
And what about this experimental psychology? Who was the person behind this?
Sir, I cannot recall. It's on
Wundt.
the tip of my tongue. Yes, Wilhelm Wundt.
William Wundt.
Yes.
Yeah. And he also established it as a science.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He brought in the concept of physical things, concepts. Like he said, the perception could be considered on like physical attributes. In a physical situation, there are physical parameters. In a social situation, there are parameters which could be analyzed in terms of what.
How psychology is different from psychiatry?
Sir, in psychology, the focus is mostly on the therapy and the concepts of the psychology in treating. In psychiatry, the treatment could be chemotherapy as well as psychotherapy.
Chemotherapy?
Yes.
Chemo means
Chemical treatment.
Chemotherapy is a general term.
Yes, it is a
normally we
general
talk of cancer when we talk of.
Sir, that is a misconception. Even before studying psychology, I used to think
Chemotherapy means
chemotherapy
any chemical.
I mean, any
Even
chemical
taking a paracetamol is
a chemotherapy.
Very interesting. Okay. Now tell me, a person suffering from mild depression should go to a psychologist or a clinical psychologist or a psychiatrist?
Sir,
Which would be better option?
Sir, there are pros and cons. If a person takes chemical drugs, it tends to have side effects, and the person gets dependent on those drugs. If psychotherapy can treat the person of that mild depression, I personally feel that psychotherapy should be preferred. And again, sir, I'm not an expert in this, so the person should seek professional help regarding the matter.
And you have been reading psychology for the last 3 years?
Yes, sir.
For your civil services?
Yes, sir.
So, do you find some change in your outlook in your own psychology after reading? Because once you read different concepts, so you also analyze on yourself, you study yourself, where do I fit on what psychological parameters?
Yes, sir, definitely. Psychology is the study of human behaviors, and that considers for me as well, because understanding what are the parameters, how human behave, it gives me an opportunity to introspect also. Like there is a term called fundamental attribution error, where we, for understanding behavior of others, we tend to make inferences. So there is in the fundamental attribution error, we tend to give attributes internal disposition for a person's act. So by understanding this concept, I tend to try to understand situational factor for what would have been the case for the person to act in a manner. For me also, I try to avoid the biases which occur in the individual, like self-serving bias, etc.
One of your hobbies is reading books.
Yes, sir.
Which books have you read recently?
So the last book I read was The Adivasi Will Not Dance. It's by Hansda Shekhar. I come from Jharkhand. He brings about in the book he brings about the social issues in Jharkhand, and it is an anthology of different short stories.
You recently heard about a book, 21 Lessons for 21st Century by Harari.
I think yes, sir.
Who had written Sapiens?
Sapiens also, sir. I've started reading that book also.
You have started reading?
Yes.
Okay, right. So that is a very good book.
Yes, sir.
As a civil servant, you must read that because that will give you a lot of perspective on different issues,
Yes,
including terrorism, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, jobless growth, etc. I think it's a very well written book.
Yes, sir.
Good, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ravi, you have been into instrumentation control. So basically it is controlling the environment in some way. So similarly we have regulators who are controlling the environment in their respective areas. So could you name some of the regulators that we have?
We have the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, the Reserve Bank of India, then Competition Commission of India, and SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India.
Now coming to SEBI.
Yes, sir.
What is the role of SEBI? What they are controlling?
Sir, they control the stock exchange market so that there is free and fair mechanism in the market, and one of the job is to prevent insider trading.
So there must be one particular focus area or motto of that.
So sorry, sir, I cannot
To
think of it.
protect the interest of small investor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the
Thank
main
you.
thing.
Yes, sir.
They are working on that. Okay. Insider trading again is something aimed at that objective
Yes, sir.
only. Now comes RBI. RBI, what are the functions of RBI?
So RBI monitors the lending of the government. It fixes the interest. It frames the monetary policy of the country. It also prints the currency of the country, and it maintains the foreign reserve of the country.
Now foreign reserves will have ample of it, but they came down slightly
Yes, sir.
recently when
Yes, sir.
there was that oil crisis.
Yes, sir.
So there has been some problem between RBI and the government.
Yes, sir.
So could you describe what is the problem?
So what was reported in the media was that the government wanted the larger share of the dividend, and it was also reported they were seeking to get into the capital of the RBI, and it in a way the RBI felt that it was a move to hamper the independence autonomy of the Reserve Bank of India.
Well, all institutions ultimately are functioning under the government only.
Yes, sir.
So autonomy doesn't mean going against the will of the government.
Yes, sir. So, but I believe that every institution have the core objective which they should keep in mind. The government of the day could have some interest which can go against the interest of the RBI. So there should be ample checks and balance to protect the interest of the RBI.
In what way it is necessary that RBI is strong? RBI's balance sheet basically
Yes, sir.
is very strong. Why it is necessary? RBI was insisting our balance sheet needs to be strong.
Sir, the balance sheet should be strong when to protect the country economical condition in times of crisis. the same capital was used by the RBI in 2008 crisis. So they insist that they should have strong balance sheet so that when crisis comes, they can transition the country in a smooth manner.
But on the other hand, supposing country is going through a liquidity crunch,
Yes, sir.
there is no money,
Yes, sir.
the industry is not growing, but RBI is saddled up with a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
Is there something wrong if the government says that we want you to release some of it so that growth takes place?
Sir, I think it should be done in a legal manner. If the law mandates that the government can take some of the money, it can be done. But there are other measures like the government security. Government can seek loan from RBI by issuing some GSECs, etc.
Government tried to disinvest several industries. In Air India, it failed.
Yes, sir.
Why? What was the reason that Air India could not be disinvested?
So the government floated the share, but there was no buyer which turned up to buy the shares of Air India.
There was some reason that buyers were not interested.
I'm not sure. Can I take a guess in this? So I believe that the operation of Air India was not seemed profitable to them, and the prices that was fixed by the government was not financially viable to the buyers.
Then in that case, would it have been wiser for the government to lower the thing? Because it's bleeding our economy.
Yes, but sir, government cannot do it against the profit incentive. I mean, the government cannot do against the going against the laws. It would be loss for the exchequer's money.
In any case, it is a loss when you are spending money into that. Taxpayers' money, 40,000, 50,000 crores every year goes into it.
Yes, sir.
So it is again a loss. So why not to reduce that much money?
So the government believes that they can revive the Air India against selling the company at a loss.
Okay, thank you.
Ravi, first of all, tell me, is there anything called clinical depression?
So I'm not sure about that.
Okay. You must have heard about this MG Mahatma Gandhi
Yes,
Manrega scheme.
Yes, sir.
What is it all about?
Sir, it talks about providing employment to the rural unskilled labor. It gives the guarantee of 100 days employment in a year for a person in a household. If the government is not able to provide employment opportunity, then then the government is bound to give compensation, which is the minimum wage of the state.
So, what is the minimum wage of it, say, particularly in say Rajasthan?
Sir, I'm not sure about the number.
Okay. Is this scheme now recently the budget, interim budget has put about 80,000 crores for this scheme. Earlier also when it was started, it had a fat budget.
Yes, sir.
Do you think people are availing of this scheme?
Sir, I think it has benefited people, and this can be seen by analyzing the increasing wage that is demanded by the people in the rural area.
Ravi, do you love children?
Yes, sir.
Do you think children are the future of the country?
Yes, definitely, sir.
We have 1/3 of world's malnourished children
Yes, sir.
staying in India.
Yes, sir.
Do we have had campaigns by the political leaders or the media to push these children into better atmosphere and provide them all what is required?
Yes, sir.
Though we have that integrated children development scheme also, but still it is not being done. And the minimum budget which has been allocated to them is about now in this budget is about 4,000 rupees for 23 or 22,000. If you are a civil servant and you have this women and child welfare ministry to you and you are a big boss there, what steps will you take to improve the situation of these malnourished children in India?
Sir, I would converge the already existing schemes that are available, and in addition to this, new things like biofortification, midday meal scheme should be effectively implemented. Additionally, the hotspot of malnourished children should be identified, and the focus should be on those areas to ensure that those areas improvement takes place significantly.
That's very heartening to know that you will do this.
Thank you.
What do you mean by the word personality in your, since you've done psychology, what do you mean by personality?
So personality is integration of those traits which defines the individual. So it could be the behavior, attitudes, and actions that the person takes.
What about somebody's clothes? Are they part of the personality?
Sir, pardon, sir?
Somebody's dressing sense, is it part of personality?
So per se, it is not, because personality we mean the internal traits, but it reflects the person's choice, because whatever the person is wearing, it's based on a free choice. What is done, so it reflects the person's personality indirectly.
But I have yet to hear from somebody, a good Samaritan, say a rickshawala, you're not well or something, and he takes you on the rickshaw, e-rickshaw,
Yes, sir.
drops you at some dispensary, and when you offer him money, you're suffering, he looks to be suffering, he doesn't charge anything. I've yet to come across a person saying that he's got a great personality. So, what exactly do we think when we talk about, or when we say common man? When you have talked about the within personality within, when we generally hear the word personality, we don't talk.
Yes.
We don't even consider this gesture as a man with a personality.
So the personality, great personality, when a common man talks, he talks about the charismatic, which kind of interests him to know the person. So, and the values the person carries with him. So that I think attributes to the great personality. The person physical features also are considered when a layman says a great personality.
So basically, for common person, it is the physical features.
So not physical features, internal traits like values, the behavior the person does. So that is also considered.
Ravi, do you think depression, the word depression, has been overused by the youth of today?
Yes, sir, because in recent, every kind of mental disorder is being considered as depression. There are different types of other mental disorder which are also categorized in depression. A person who seeks lonely solace also is considered depressed. So I think that is a wrong conception. A person can be happy being in himself. So in that sense, I believe the word depression is used.
So, do you think that we should talk about awareness campaigns or initiate awareness campaigns on this word depression?
Yes, sir. This awareness campaign should be initiated, and in fact, Ministry of Health also initiated such campaign last year, and it was widely published in the newspapers.
And what is, last question is, what is compulsive disorder?
So compulsive disorder is a disorder in which the person compulsively acts against his wishes of doing some action. This can be understood by the example of Lady Macbeth in the Macbeth story of act of William Shakespeare, where after murdering the King Duncan, she was washing her hands again and again, believing that her hands have got dirty.
That's a compulsive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ravi.
Is it compulsive disorder or compulsive obsessive disorder?
So I think it's same. I believe. I'm not sure about that.
Compulsive obsessive.
Obsessive compulsive disorder (OCD).
Whatever.
Yes, sir.
But obsessive is also there.
Yes, sir. The person gets obsession with the thoughts and compulsive with the
Washing
action.
hands. Or
Yes, sir. Checking the locks after
and all
locking.
that.
Yes, sir.
These are very common problem. So, Ravi, you have an excellent articulation. Interview is over.
Yes, sir.
But please try to speak a little slow.
Okay, sir.
It's very important for you.
So slow as in the tempo or the
Tempo,
volume.
reduce.
Okay.
Slow means speed.
Okay.
So the velocity
Yes,
that
sir.
should be reduced.
Yes, sir.
And of course, you are not verbose, I would say, but speak slow.
Yes, sir.
And if possible, reduce the length of your answers, but cover all the points.
Yes, sir.
And eye contact also must be moving to others.
Yes, sir.
Do not fix it to only one.
Sir, it happened to me today, but generally I keep that in mind.
Okay. Why it happened to you?
I don't know. I was realizing it in
Is
between.
it obsessive compulsive disorder? Or
No, sir.
As a Jain is a minority
Yes, sir.
religion. So, what are the benefits? Earlier it was a part of Hinduism, all beneficial, but it insisted on becoming a minority. So
Yes,
what
sir.
privileges are admissible to Jainism? That also. And the different concepts of Jainism, like aparigraha,
Yes, sir.
Santhara tradition. These one must know.
Yes, sir.
Why Buddhism spread so fast across India, particularly in Southeast Asia, but not Jainism.
Yes, sir.
So you must feel about that.
Yes, sir. That's
Shuka's contribution was really
important. Yes.
important. Although Chandragupta Maurya, his father or grandfather, was a Jain,
Jain, yes.
but Ashoka.
Ashoka was initially a Jain, but he later converted to Buddhism.
But it is not widely known.
Yes, sir.
It is not widely known that he was a Jain.
Yes, sir.
So tie must be blue tie, plain,
Plain.
lighter, light shade.
So, but I'll wear a blue coat this time.
With blue tie,
Plain tie.
Plain tie. All right.
Not this decorative one.
not shiny.
Shiny.
Yes, sir.
It should be a dull color, dull shade.
कब है आपका इंटरव्यू?
Sir, 25th March को.
अच्छा टाइम है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जितना अपडेट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को रखिए.
Yes, sir.
Developments are overtaking all of us on the defense front. इससे अपने आप को.
Sir, did I do well?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I got 165 last time.
Very good.
Sujata Mehta ma'am's board.
Very good.
So, is there an opportunity for me to get more?
Yes, certainly. But it depends which board you get.
Yes, sir. That is
You know
really
the-
important.
You know the subjectivity factor.
Yes, sir.
So, I think on the basis of the facts, you should definitely get more.
Okay, sir.
You should get a good board first.
That is not in my hand, but I'll try to give my best.
You will do well. I am very confident of yourself.
I think I will be, Ravish, I will be surprised if you don't make this time a very good grade. You should, you are very confident, your knowledge, your body language, and your persona is very pleasing. And it was really delighting to have interviewed you. Good. Thank you, just.
Ravi, you should make it. You are very confident, but at the same time, why are you perspiring so much?
Sir, actually, this is a woolen based coat. So,
Oh,
this is,
So when the interview
I've changed, sir. That's why I've changed and bought a new one.
because
Terracotta color.
Yes, sir.
actually it reflects that you are very nervous, but you are
Yes,
not.
sir.
Actually, you are not.
Yes, sir.
But I was just thinking why he is perspiring so much.
Yes, sir. So this time the interview is quite late, so I've bought a new coat.
Late, late.
25th
Summer
of
will
March.
set in by
Yes,
that
sir.
time.
Summer will be there.
And this is like very hot, sir.
It's very hot. Yes, that's the reason. Fine.
Keep yourself fully hydrated. Take as much fluid and milk, juice, everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Endorsed all the remarks, and I endorse it.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Good.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.